54.809 plus 0.4, so that's that bit, and then 103. Just add them up from here. So 9 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 8 plus 4 is 12, so 2 goes down the bottom, 1 gets carried over to the next place value on the left. We're up to the decimal point, put the decimal point in. 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 6, is 5, is 3, done. 8754.3.075 and 4. Okay, so that's going to be quite easy now that I've got everything lined up. That's going to be 5, that's going to be 7, that's 3, decimal points, 8, 5, 7, 8. Done.